a sure way to get rid of your hiccups. Be sure you're sitting down, and I'd like you to breathe in through the nose and blow out through the mouth. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now close your eyes. Continue breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. You should see just blackness behind your eyelids. And now I want it to clear in a fog until you see a beautiful white sand beach with the ocean crashing along the shore. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. A light breeze is blowing over you. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. And you can feel the sun warming your skin. Breeze blowing through your hair, the ocean crashing on the shore. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Do not think of anything else. Just feel the breeze washing over you, the sun warming you, the sound of the ocean, in and out, in and out. Another deep breath and let it go again. So, hopefully, your hiccups should be gone. If that did not work, plan B is to play this for somebody else, and most likely you will be laughing so hard at the reaction that will kick it off. Hope that helped. Bye.